key to a lot of ratio questions are trying to figure out like how the number of parts somewhere is going to equal 450, and then it'll be a case of like figuring out what one part is, and then you can figure out what Emma's part was, in this case Sundip's number of parts that they've got. The key thing to realize in this is that the only person spending money is Emma. She spent 450. Sundip has not spent any, and therefore the amount of money they have throughout has stayed the same. However, the number of parts has changed, so these parts are going to be worth different things. How can we make them be worth the same thing? Or we can do something to the ratios to make them equal, and that is look for the lowest common multiple, change them both to 6. So I can write 3 to 5 as 6 to 10. So that's at the start. I was meant to say 10. And then it was 2 to 3. I want to change that to 6, so I'm going to times by 3 in this case, and that's going to mean that 2 to 3 is equal to 6 to 9. And now this ratio is making more sense because Sundip's amount has stayed the same, but Emma has lost one part, and she spent £450. So I could draw a bar model to represent this, but I'm not going to here. I can see that one part equals £450. Okay, and then I just need to find out, the question is how much Sundip has. Well, she's got 6 parts, so 6 parts is 6 lots of £450. Okay, then I just need to figure that out. So 6 times 400 is 2,400. 6 times 50, I'm sort of doing a column multiplication here essentially, but I'm just doing it, I'm just not writing it out formally. 6 times 50 is 300, therefore add them up, and Sundip has £2,700. I think this is quite a tricky ratio question. You really have to have a good understanding of what's going on. This is absolutely crucial. Are there other ways of doing it? I'm sure there are, but I think this is the simplest way to solve this problem.